What's good, YouTube? It's me back again with another video. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a foraging bowl for your birds. So I'm going to go ahead and sit the camera down right here. Okay, so first you're going to have your bowl, of course. This is a stainless steel bowl. So next you're going to have whatever seed you're going to put in there or pellets. So I have these seeds right here that I'm going to use for treats. And I have some millet. And I'm going to go ahead and go over there and get some pellets. So I'll see you guys in the next part. Okay, so I have got in my pellets, some pellets now. So what you're going to need for this is some shredding paper, crinkle paper, whatever you want to call it, some crinkle paper. And then you want to use some toilet tissue or even paper towels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use about a little pinch of pellets, 2 pinches. So that's not a lot. Hold on, let me show y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all can see. It's not a lot of pellets in there. Not too many. You don't want to use too much. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add a crinkle of seeds as well. Just a crinkle now. Not too much. And I'll show you guys this. So I'll see you in the next part. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. And I'm going to show y'all the next steps for what you want to do. Oh yeah, I still have to add millet so y'all can see that too. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some millet. I'm just going to add the seeds from the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and do like this. Ooh, that's a lot of millet. Okay. So those are some of the seeds from the bottom, and I'm going to stir. And now that I look at those, a lot of seeds, so I want to balance it out with some pellets. What budgies? Okay. So now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and take a paper, some tissue paper. And what I'm going to do is, since this is 2-ply, I'm just going to thin it. So now it's only 1-ply. So I got this for $1. It was a 6-pack for $1 at Dollar General. So y'all can go hop on that. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it like that. And then I'm going to add more seeds to it. And some pellets. And I'm going to show you guys how that looks now. Okay, so here is what we're looking at. And that's all what's under there. And then I'm going to show you guys what happens next. Okay, so basically I'm going to have layers. So now I'm going to add another one. And I'm just going to go ahead and sit that on top like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more seed. And then we're going to add some millet. Okay. And now I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little shimmy throughout the whole thing. And now this is where you're going to add crinkle paper. So crinkle paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and sit this on top of there. Like so. And I'm going to add more seeds to the top. So this is basically a 2-in-1. It's something to feed your bird with and for them to forage. So now I'll be back for the next part. Okay, so now I have a basic printer paper, which I'm just going to go ahead and sit on top and just crumble it down. Now, I have budgies, so it's going to be a little bit harder for them to break this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a nice little hole in it. and open it up like so. So now you can see there's a hole there, and they basically can stick their head through it or even rip it. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put it wherever you're going to put it, because that's the end of the foraging bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and put my foraging bowl onto their stand right there. So I hope it even fits. Okay, so that's the best it's going to fit, because I do not know where that piece is at. So there it is. And I'm going to put some seeds right there so that they can know that they're seeds. They're probably going to be a little bit scared, but I have some seeds on the top. So let's see what's their reaction to it. Okay, so here they are. I don't know if they're scared or not, but I'm going to put some seeds in my hand, actually, from here, just to show them. Yeah, they're scared. You scared, Blue? Rio? They're scared. So I think it's actually going to take them a while to warm up to it. So I learned this from Bird Tricks channel. So yeah, this is how it looks basically. And it has crinkle paper levels. It's just so many different levels in here. I think they'll be less scared if I took off the paper. So I'll be back once I have the paper off and have them back down here. Okay, so here they are, and they're actually foraging, you guys. I think the paper actually was kind of scary to them. So they are loving it. They love the foraging bowl. So yeah, I'm going to actually have this as a thumbnail for you guys. But yeah, you guys, without further ado, this is the end of the video. Peace out.